Good morning, everyone. Tanya here. It's a cold January morning, and I'm currently in Corden, Indiana, waiting on some friends. We are going to Hawesville, Kentucky, and we're going to go to a new place that just opened last summer. It's called Jeffrey Cliffs Conservation and Recreation Area. There is over 5 miles of trails, and there's a lower and then there's an upper trails. And I believe right now the only way to get to the upper trails is by going the lower trails. They are currently working on some more phases in the future to gain more access and to add more trails. So it'll be exciting to come back and see this later once they've added some more stuff. It does have some history with the Civil War and the Native Americans, I believe. So hopefully there'll be more information there when we get there. But I just wanted to let you know, say a quick hello while I'm sitting here waiting for them. This will be my first official hike in January of 2021, and I'm super excited about that. So I will come back and greet you again as soon as we get there. So I will see you soon. Hey guys, we are here just maybe a quarter of a mile or so in. We've already climbed a big hill, and we are going this we're going to go straight to go to Morgan's Cave, and we'll come back to this spot. Yeah, this is a little tricky getting down here. Wow. So we made it to Morgan's Cave, and it's said, the website said that it was used by the Confederates as like a hideaway rendezvous point during the Civil War. And it's massive. It's so big. Let me show you. So we're in Tobacco Cave, and I saw in another video that they said this is where the Native Americans would dry out their tobacco. I didn't see that on the website, but it's pretty cool to think that might, have been very likely. And they do have these stick structure thing over here. I'm assuming that's to show that that's where that was done, maybe, and maybe how they did it. Very cool. We just came up these steps, and if we want to go to the upper trail, we have to climb up that rope to the top, and I don't think we're going to do that today. We'll leave that for another day. But we're having fun. Okay guys, so we parked right here this morning, and we hiked all along here. This is the junction that took us back to Morgan's Cave, the really big cave that we saw, and we came back out, went back here and saw Tobacco Cave and came out. This is where those stairs and the rope ladder is to get to the upper trail. So you would start here. As far as I know, this is the only point to get to it, but there may be one at the other end, it looks like. But we're going to save that for another day. So next time we come out here, we'll park at the north parking and go there. But let me show you what's still left. So this is where we were. We are currently right by the north parking area. So you could park here to get to that other trail. But we're just going to follow on out and around and back to our car, and then go grab us something to eat. So it's been fun. We still got just a little bit to go, but yeah, it's been a good day. So here's the north parking area, and we're just walking along the little gravel road now, and then I think we link up to the trail again at the end. Yeah, we're thankful for an easy finish. Our car's parked right over here, and this is pretty to look at as we walk to the car and finish up our hike. This has been a lot of fun. We're just about to the car, and just wanted to say bye. Definitely come check out Jeffrey Cliffs in Hawesville, Kentucky, and I believe it's Hancock County. It's right across the river, so definitely come check it out, and hope to see you guys soon, and get out and hike. See you later.